Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial I'll be learning how to fix a pocket on a dress that has lining, a dress or a skirt that you turned with lining. So in case you're wondering how to fix pocket into such dress, this video is for you. Keep watching. Please like, share and subscribe if you're new. And let's start. So for this pocket, all you need is your a pieces of the same fabric that you used for your dress. So here is the one I've already cut. Before, I just thought to share with you guys, maybe some of you don't know how to do this, so I'll be using this paper for illustration purpose. So here is the paper. The length of my pocket is 10 inches long. Then what you would do is make sure this edge is straight and you measure 8 inches because the pocket is 7 inches wide, so 8 inches. You need half inch to sew the two sides. Okay, so here I'm measuring 8 inches, 7 inches for the pocket, then 1 inch for sewing allowance. You need half inch to join this side and half inch to join the other side. So I'm going to connect that with a straight line like this. Okay, and then at the edge here I'm going to come in by 1 inch in order to curve my pocket, and then I'll just draw the curve like so. Okay, and that's all for the pocket, right? That's all. So for the length, like I said, the length of this pocket is 10 inches. If you want yours deeper, you can do 11, but the highest, the most you can go for a pocket is 14 inches long. Okay, so but this I am working with 10 inches. So but this paper here is not up to 10. This paper is 9. This paper is 9, but on my fabric is 10, as you can see. Okay, so now let's measure where the pocket is going to be on the dress. So I'll just set this aside and we'll do that. So for the pockets, you make sure you place them right sides facing each other, right sides facing each other like so, and then you sew here this point and stop here. Okay, you do the same to the other side. You sew the two side and the down parts, leave the upper part open. So make sure the pocket is right side facing each other. So here I've done that. I've sewn it round, and remember to serge your pocket before you sew. Okay, so I serged my round before I start sewing. Okay, so now let's get the dress and measure where the pocket is going to be. So whatever the half length of your client is, add 1 inch to that. So the half length of my client is 16.5. I'll add 1 inch to 16.5. That will make it 17.5. Okay, so I'm going to mark on 17.5 here like this, and from that 17.5 I'm going to mark 7 inches downward. I'll mark 7 inches like so. So that is the pocket width. From the 17.5 I marked 7 inches down, and you're going to double stitch here, sew here double times and sew here multiple times just to hold it together. Just tighten it so that when you lose the pocket area, it will not affect the rest of the dress. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing on this side also, and then I'll come down by the same 7 inches like this, and I'll go and top stitch or double stitch here and here to hold them together, so that when I lose the middle where the pocket is going to be, it's not going to affect it. So here I'm done doing that. So I'm trying to zoom my camera so that you guys will see. So I'm done doing that. So next is to attach the pocket. So all you need to do is get your pocket, and then you open it up and pin it to one side. Okay, right sides facing each other like this. Remember, the pocket is supposed to be on the inside. Okay, so you're just going to pin it like so, like this. So make sure the side that is pointy on the pocket, the side that we curve, should be facing up, while the pointy one is facing down, as you can see. Okay, as you can see from my own side, the side that is pointy on the pocket is facing down. So here I want to repeat what I did again. So this is the pocket. This is your pocket. That's the pocket hole. So what you do is to open this up and attach it. So there is something I forgot to tell you guys. I think it will be easier for you to leave like 1/4 inch before the end of your pocket, so that when you're fixing it, it will not be difficult for you. I will show you what I mean later. So here I'm just going to fix this like so and pin it, not exactly on your first seam, not exactly on the first place that you sewed your dress. Remember, this dress was shaped already before I lose that part that there will be pockets, so you must not sew exactly on that line that you loosed the dress. Okay, so just move inside, shift a little from that side towards, I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying. Leave, go away 1/2 inch from that first line you made, and then you sew your pocket. Okay, so you place it on your machine like this and sew. I'll still show you guys what I mean on the machine. So this is what I'm talking about. You leave like 1/2 inch before the end of the pocket, 1/2 inch here, so that when you're attaching, it will be easier for you. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to take you guys to the machine so that I will show you guys what I mean. We are going to sew this side also. After sewing the first side, you flip over to the other side and sew this other down side. Okay, so don't sew exactly on your first line where you joined your dress. Move away from that line to give it a space. This is a pocket, so you don't have to be exactly on that line. Move away from that line as if you are coming towards the allowance side. Okay, not inside. I did not say you should move inside the dress. Move away from that line as if you are going towards the seam allowance. Okay, so this is how I joined it. You just hold it this way and then you sew with 1/2 inch like so, like this. So you're going to repeat the same to the other side of the pocket. Sorry guys that my camera is not that bright. I don't know what happened. Maybe it's the color of the day or so. I don't know. So let's go to the table. Let me show you guys. So can you see the pocket is fixed already? So all you need to do is to give this a very good press. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and share this video. If you have any question, you can leave it on the comment below, and I'll be seeing you in my next tutorial. I love you guys. Bye.